I just thought that I'll, speak to you guys, ask you guys some questions. No, not even questions. More like, maybe some advice, your opinions, your views, what you think. So basically, first of all, there's a few things that I need to do to the R32. I need to, one, is the next thing is I need to get it cleaned up. The bodywork's proper clean at the moment, proper clean at the moment. The back bumper you can tell it's been resprayed, so at night it's a different colour from the rest of the car, slightly, just like a few shades lighter. So I'm gonna be getting some few bits and bobs tidied up, the side skirt sprayed because underneath is scratches. But as this R32, you need to keep it as clean as possible, because when it comes to resale, people are gonna be like watching the whole car and then inspecting it properly. So back bumper, front. This was the parts that's gonna be getting done. Back bumper, front bumper, both side skirts, the side strips on each door, both rear quarter panels. The bonnet has got a little chip on it, so that's gonna get like a smart repair. And also I wanna flush the front bumpers, because on the front bumpers you got the holes where the number plate bracket is screwed in. So because I've taken off the front number plate because I want that smooth look, I'm taking that off, and it's left with 6 holes, 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom. So they're gonna have to get plastic welded and filled. Also, I'm in 2 minds about is going for that more of a Euro look. So that means kind of like more flush. So one reason, and wait. So basically, that would mean kind of one, flushing the headlight washers. So that would be like taking those off, and that the caps and all that, smoothing that all off. But that's the look that ideally I would like to go for, man. Also, taking off the grill, having a D-badge grill and having that D-badge grill look with like the whole front kind of flush. That's the ideal look that I'll be going for. I think it makes it look a bit newer as well. But that's the thing. I don't want to do anything that's gonna kind of mess up when it comes to resale. And that's another thing I was going to talk to you about. Anyway, so that's the respray side that I'm speaking to you about. The next side is I want to get an exhaust, but that's the thing, man. I like loud, but I know loud is gonna start bugging me for a while. It's just gonna. I like it now, and I say get an exhaust, but then the minute I've got an exhaust, and it's just gonna be like, oh my days, what the hell am I doing? I need to get rid of this flipping exhaust. So I want to get. So at the moment, it's not. I don't know, man. It's 1 minute it's loud, and I'm like, I'm driving down the road, and I'm like, that sounds alright. And next time I'm like driving down the road, thinking that's not even loud enough, man. So I want something just slightly louder. I'm thinking to keep the cats on to work. Because I've got two options. I could keep, because on there at the moment is a Miltech. So I could keep the Miltech on there, take the decal off. So I heard that if you take the decal off, it will make it a bit more louder. But then it's not going to have any cats. So if it ain't going to have any cats, then it's not really going to be roadworthy. And you can fail MOT. So that's an option, but I don't really want to do that, if I'm honest with you. And I don't know how much more loud it's going to make it. That's one. Two, keep the cats on and delete the back box. And I know it's going to be much louder. I just don't know how much louder. And I've been seeing someone on YouTube, and some of them are saying, straight pipe all the way through, and some straight pipes all the way through. I'm thinking to myself, that actually sounds sick. And you hear some other ones are straight pipe all the way through, and thinking that's maybe a bit too loud. But I know all cars sound different, because you could have like 3 R32s all in a row, all revving, all standard, and they all sound different. So I don't know. It's just a bit of a gamble. What I might do first, because I've got the decat, I might stick the decat on and see how it sounds, and then play it by ear, take it from there. But I've been looking at a few tips in the meanwhile, and the holes at the back for the exhaust, tips. Like the holes are like 6 inches. And you know me, I'm not on no pea shooter stuff. I wanna fill that. I wanna fill it out. So I'm thinking about getting 5-inch tips. Not sure if to get slash cut or rolled out tips. What do you think? Slash cut, which is like slash cut tips are like more. It's exactly what it is. It's cut slash, isn't it? It's like an exhaust, round circle, and then instead of being cut straight, it's slash cut. That's one. Or rolled out is rolled out. That's exactly what it is. It's an exhaust tip, 5-inch rolled outwards. Anyway, I need something that's quite large, because you know street mods don't do anything normal. So yeah, that's the exhaust. Another thing I want to talk to you about is this turbo, man. This turbo thing. And one thing that's just a few things which are bugging me about this turbo thing. So basically, I decided that. No, I haven't decided yet. I haven't decided yet. But what I would like to do is, the turbo's still here, but I would like to. I don't know. I don't even have to tell you. I don't even have to say this to you guys. So there's this turbo kit, yeah. This turbo kit is nuts. Like basically, you get everything in there. But you get everything in there apart from maybe the ECU. So you still have to get ECU. This turbo kit's this turbo kit's $7.5 grand. £5,000. Yeah, man, $7.5 grand. And I'm thinking to myself, you know what? That's about how much the car's worth. And you know, when it comes to selling it, like you'd never see that money ever again. Like it'll be gone. So it's one of them ones where, you know, but first of all, you know me, and you know I don't really keep cars for that long. So, but the kit looks so sick, man. I think it's a JBS kit. I'm not sure, man, but I'll try and pull it up. I'll try and research it and then give you some details about this kit. But I think it's a precision turbo, which is a 6262 precision turbo, and it's gonna have it comes with the whole shebang, head spacer. I think the ratio is a big boy ratio as well, so that means it can hold more boost. So I think it can hold like 1.2 or 1.3 bar. Also, I don't think it comes with clutch or anything. You'd have to get your own clutch in that. I can't remember, but yeah, I don't think it comes with clutch in that. It comes with injectors, manifold, downpipe. All the downpipes are made. Comes with intercooler pipes. All the hardware and that, everything you kind of need, man. It's like it looks crazy. It looks crazy. Like basically plug and play. Apart from the ECU, all you'd have to do after that is to send it off and get the software done. And the software on these, I'm hearing that I don't know, man. That's one thing I'm gonna have to check out afterwards is the software, because I may have to go the cheaper option, which is piggyback option, which is to get like a ECU on top of an ECU. So get that ECU, put ECU on top of that and map that piggyback option, or you can get like a whole new different thing. Take your ECU out and then I just go mad. But that's gonna be a lot of money, man, to get something like Emerald or something crazy. But there's so much options, man. There's so much stuff you can do. Like I said, the next thing I'm gonna be doing is getting it sprayed, and then take it from there. Also, I need to spray the calipers yellow, because I'm not sure what route I'm going with the alloys. But when you got yellow calipers behind darker alloys, it usually looks sick, mark my words. So I'll see what happens, but I'm definitely gonna be, when the weather warms up a bit, I'm gonna, even if it doesn't, but as long as it's not raining, I'm gonna get my heat gun out and then clean the calipers up. I'd love to get bigger calipers. I'd love to get like the same calipers I had on my Audi S3. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you can. This is not like a big this is not like an exciting one. You know, I'm not working on anything, but just giving you some updates what's happening with the car, and yeah. So stay tuned, and the next video might be, I don't know, man. I want to do something, man. If any of you guys kind of got any projects going on yourself, when it filmed or whatever, or you got something that's like fast, and then we can do like a video, something, man. You know, I like doing this stuff, and I also like, because I like the filming side. The crazy thing about this is, I like the filming side. I like the edit. I love the editing side, even though the editing takes so long. I mean, like, to do something for even like to edit like a 5-minute video, to make a 5-minute video can take like 6-7 hours, man. Easy, man. It's crazy. But yeah, anyway, I love that side. I love the editing side. I love the I love just everything, man. Everything about it, man. The whole thing, the project side, the working on the work. I don't even like the working on the car bit side, but I like showing you guys exactly what you can do and all that stuff. You know, the weather here is an off-put for me, man. I just want to just be, when it's like, you might call me like a pussy or whatever, man, but like, when the weather's cold outside, man, it's just an off-put, man. If I need to be in I need to be in like Florida or Miami doing this shit, man. Like, no top on, like just, you know what I'm talking, you know, but you can picture in it, the cars, like performance cars, bare turbos, cars going past, like big turbos going on, and then just like working on bare cars. You know, like there's a chicken shop across the road. Like the girl comes out and brings you some chicken. You know, like it's hot outside. You drink that Coke. Like it has to be Diet Coke, but you're drinking a Coke. You know what I'm talking about. Stay tuned.